Hey guys, welcome back to my channel PencilTreats. In this video, you will see how I sketch the portrait of the famous scientist of all times, the Albert Einstein, using different types of pencils. I shall share some important tips to draw his iconic hair and mustache. Please watch this video till the end and learn how to draw this portrait. I start my sketch by drawing the eyes, nose and the lips. Pay attention to the angle of the face. Draw the outlines using 2H graphite pencils. Now start shading with the 6B soft charcoal pencil to get the dark background which brings the contrast to the silver hair. Use the paper stem to smudge the background to give the smooth finish. Start adding more details into the portrait using the 5B pencil. Start with the eyes, ear and the fine lines on the forehead. Using the stumps, continue refining the details of the face. The important feature of this portrait are the wrinkles of the wisdom on his face. Ensure you highlight them and shade appropriately. Pay close attention to the features that make him instantly recognizable. The wild hair and mustache depict the passion to explore and invent. E equals mc square, the theory of relativity. Use the eraser and the blending stumps to add texture to the hair and mustache. This will really bring your drawing to life. I start finalizing the sketch from the top, adding depth and dimension to the drawing by shading using 2B, HB, 8B and charcoal pencils to highlight the features. Add any finishing touches to finalize your portrait that truly captures the spirit of Albert Einstein. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel PencilTreats for more such videos. Please comment below what you like to see next on my channel. Thank you.